Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some foggy conditions out there still currently. Going to continue to see that fog this morning. Should start to erode as we move into the late morning hours into the early afternoon today. And then we'll see partly cloudy conditions for this afternoon. Temperatures warming into the lower to mid 70s across the region. So looking like the afternoon will be a very nice day. The fog has continued to persist a little bit longer than I have expected this morning. So still currently thinking the temperatures will be in the mid 70s, but wouldn't be out of the question if that fog remains in the air a little bit longer this morning, seeing those temperatures only in the upper 60s to lower 70s for today. Our sounding from this morning, we have a freezing level at 13,500 feet. Winds are light again throughout the column this morning, only seeing about 5 to 10 knots, and fairly light out of the easterly component at 1,000 to 3,000 feet, then continuing around 5 to 15 knots from 6 to 12,000 feet out of the south, and then seeing more southwesterly direction, and still seeing a light wind around 10 to 15 knots from 16 to 25,000 feet, with a peak wind at 20,000 feet out of the southwest at 15 knots this morning. Looking at current surface analysis, we have a large area high pressure over the Mid-Atlantic region. That's providing us with light winds and the nice setups for fog overnight. And we've seen the last several nights. Going to continue to see this area high pressure dominate our weather for today and tomorrow. Then we'll see a backdoor cold front move through for our Saturday evening into Sunday, and that's going to provide us with some cooler conditions for Sunday as well as some cloudy skies. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we have an abundance of fog and low-level cloud cover across the Delmarva Peninsula this morning, as well as some cloud cover, looks like around 3,000 to 5,000 feet, and some serious cloudiness across the region. Going to continue to see this fog, as I mentioned this morning, and it will slowly start to burn off once we move into the late morning hours, and should be out of here by the afternoon. Look at the European model for the next few days. Here is this afternoon, no chance of precipitation or lightning. Then moving into Saturday, much the same. I should see that fog in the morning and then quickly burning off for the afternoon hours, and tomorrow should be a few degrees warmer than today, as we'll have more southwesterly flow or southerly flow across the region. And then for Saturday night, going to see a chance of some rain showers moving in as well into Sunday, with that backdoor cold front sliding through, and that'll give us cooler conditions for Sunday as well as some showers in the area for Sunday afternoon. Should see those showers taper off by late Sunday afternoon. Then move into Monday, going to see a warm front that was the cold front that moved through, return back through the region on Sunday night into Monday. Could give us some drizzle or a few light sprinkles. And then once we move into Monday, should see majority of that low-level cloud cover move out of here by Monday afternoon. Could still see some fog in here Monday morning with that warm front near the region, but should see dry conditions for Monday afternoon. Once we move into Tuesday, going to see a cold front with most of the energy moving north of our region, and that should provide us with, once again, warm conditions for Tuesday. Some of the models show that cold front moving through on Tuesday. I expect it to move through on Wednesday, with a chance of some showers Wednesday morning. And then for Wednesday afternoon, seeing, once again, fairly pleasant conditions, a bit cooler, more towards normal, but still above normal for this time of year, with temperatures in the upper 60s. And then for Thursday, looks like we'll have a southern stream system moving towards the region, giving us a good chance of some rainfall. So looking at our risk chart for today, a high of 73, a low of 61 tonight. Seeing that fog in the region this morning. Should be out of here by noon, but it has been slow to erode this morning, so not out of the question we do see some lower level ceilings past noon today. Once we move into the evening and overnight hours, we'll see that fog move back into the region, with a likely condition after midnight of seeing some visibilities reduced with the fog in the region. Our winds today will be light and onshore, about 5 to 10 knots, and then tonight we'll see variable winds less than 5 knots. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, going to see those lower level clouds in here this morning. Then should see VFR conditions after noon today until about 8 o'clock this evening, or 20 local, and we'll see that low level cloud cover move back in. And after midnight, should see only vertical visibility around 200 to 300 feet, quarter mile to half a mile statute visibility with the fog in the region. And by tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, continuing to see that fog. For Saturday and Sunday, we'll see morning fog and low clouds, then partly cloudy and warm, a high of 77 on Saturday. We'll see that orange condition for our visibilities during the morning. Saturday night, mostly clouded overcast or rain showers. Very slight chance of embedded thunderstorm early, a low of 55 degrees. Looks like the rain shower chances about 30 to 40% on Saturday night, as well as a chance of some lower level ceilings. And for Sunday, overcast, low clouds, and rain showers. We'll see cooler conditions and slightly breezy winds off the water. We'll see a high of 60 degrees, looking like about a 60% chance of rainfall, and seeing a good chance of those low-level ceilings in here as well. So looking at the next 7 days, we'll see good conditions overall for today and tomorrow once that fog erodes during the morning hours, seeing partly cloudy conditions, temperatures in the lower 70s today for highs, upper 70s to mid-70s for Saturday. And Sunday, a cooler day, only a high of 60. Monday, seeing a return to the 70s, as well as Tuesday, so back to the pattern of morning fog, then afternoon. Mostly the partly cloudy conditions. As I mentioned, temperatures in the mid to lower 70s for both days. And then for Wednesday and Thursday, seeing that upper level ridge over the eastern portion of the United States really start to weaken by that time. So we'll see some cold fronts starting to move into the region with a 30% chance of rain showers Wednesday morning. And then we'll see a chance of some rainfall on Thursday with that southern stream system moving through their area. Still, timing of that is in question, with models showing it possibly moving on Friday or possibly Thursday. So right now we'll go with a 50% chance of rainfall on Thursday, high around 65 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back Monday morning at 8:15 and 10 a.m.